Hi guys, welcome to the 7-Man Show. Me, your host Sean. Well, I've done videos on Corporate Universe Inc. and I was asked if I go into more detail. And as I said before, looking on it, the website doesn't look like much. You got under the team, you got one person, Isaac Sutton, 40 years experience, and there's not really much about us, who we are, why invest. They need to update this, get a PR team on it, but obviously they don't want to spend the money, which I can respect. But this is the thing, go down to press releases, you see, well, I spoke about Medichiva, how it's a graphene face mask, and how it's a good time to be in there. But you'll see that earlier in the year they've been reducing the stock, so they've been doing share buybacks. Basically, it seems to me this company has so much money on their books, they've done 2 lots of share buybacks. As said, the company, especially considering low price, the float wasn't that great, wasn't that big, sorry. And today we're going to talk about Zepco. Now, the first one went earlier in the year. This is something no one else is talking about. How in August they was in administration. Yes, they had over 30 registered patents. Leasehold facility near Oxford. Well, no offence, but leasehold is going to be hard to sell. Freehold is what you want. Team of scientists, development staff. You know what it says to me? It says wages you have to pay. Lab and office furniture and equipment, okay. But of course it's good if you can use all the staff and they're highly trained. Now that's the bearish way of looking at it. Now the thing is, as I said, the website, I've tried contacting them, they don't really come back with much, but Zepco was originally had a couple of different names, and it all seemed a bit sketchy at first. But some of the patents included device harvesting, nanocarbon, electrolytes, generation 4 grid. The generation 4 program is grid energy storage. It's 2 years away, unlike QuantumScape, which is even longer. They have other projects in the pipeline, such as cell phone charging. They did do cell phone charging in 2016. They are looking at body panels. You may be asking, why is a battery company looking at body panels? Well, basically they're looking at putting batteries into the body panels of the car, and they are then looking at using that, because they're using like nanocarbon and graphite crystals, lightweight, and using that to stabilize and make the car more lightweight. Now their grid systems are going to be microgrids like clean sparks. Their charging systems are going to be fast charging. I reckon it lasts 7 times longer. You know, they have joint venture with ES Green Cube. Generation 5 is designed for electric vehicles and 5-minute charge. You know, so they what they're saying is, sorry about that. What they're saying is it'll be also be the same price as an ICE vehicle. Now their battery pack will be £15 compared to £1,200 with a Tesla. Now you imagine with if a Tesla got hold of this, or when it get hold of this, I spoke about it before, and how fast or how far they could go if they could knock off 1,185 pounds of their weight. Not just Tesla, imagine GM or Ford, who were making their first EV, took them over, and they decided to do it. I mean, as I said, it's going to be, with the price of them, you know, it's not going to cost much for them to take it over. It's mainly, sticking point's mainly going to be the debt, which it seems that sorry about that, I don't have premium access. Anyway, they plan to have auto driving. They have a patent for something called a pod, which I think will be perfect for airports or even for trains of the future, which charges in 35 seconds, and they have patent for an aeroplane now, EV aeroplane, and the way they do that is thinking outside the box again, is not just substituting the fuel areas with a battery, because you wouldn't get the plane off the ground. What they're saying is they are implementing the battery system throughout the whole of the plane, and it's quite impressive. I've seen the designs. They're saying their EV will have 1 million charge cycles. Their generation 6 is designed for mobiles, and they have a free grid energy storage. So and they have likes of super capacitors. Now, this is something I'm interested in, because the fact is it's something that they have a lot, and all you need is for GM or Tesla to want 1 or 2 of their patents and to buy it off them, and it can go from 32 cents up to $32, and they would still have the other £28. Now, the other thing is that the other thing is that you need to be aware. As I said, it was under administration, they had nowhere left to go, and then these guys come in and swooped, and they can keep it going until something goes. Anyway, don't forget to leave a like, comment in the box below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below. So Freetrade, Trading 212, Stake, where you can get a free share for signing up, depositing a small amount. I'll see you in the next video.